DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, precision landing test, open field. Got that coming up next. I think you're all well aware of and how I've been very well acquainted with precision landing with the Mavic 2 Pro and how I discovered that it was missing. Well, I have been running some tests on the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 in my yard, and when I did that, some of the tests were off the mat, and I think a lot of that was due to the confinement of the area there. A lot of times the sensors were going off, and I wanted to go ahead today and do a thorough test in an open field. So we found there's a great open field by us, so we went there today. So let's take a look and roll that clip right now. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test precision landing with a Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 in an open field. As you know, when we've been testing it before at the house, it's not quite an open area and the sensors are going off like crazy. So let's see if having it out in an open field and testing precision landing is going to make a difference here. So let's get this started. Okay, we're shooting 1080p, 30 frames per second. Recording is starting.
Take off. Check it on the map.
Get this up to about 100 feet through there. And we got a lot of birds in the area here. I'm gonna kind of hold still until they get out of the area. Change orientation of the aircraft. Okay, we're gonna take it out a few hundred feet. We'll clear birds right now. Okay, that is good enough. And now we're going to initiate return to home.
Go home.
And we're going to do this unaided. Let's see how this works. Here. Adjust the pitch of the gimbal so we can take a good look at this. It's locating the landing spot as we speak.
Landing.
It's located the landing pad. Let's see how we're doing here. So far, so good. Got the osmo action as well. Looks like it's going to be pretty much on here. Let's take a look at this. Spot on landing for that, for precision landing. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to do this again. We're going to do a precision takeoff using the app. Get it up again to about 100 feet. Okay, we are at 100 feet. Go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal. We're going to go forward here just a little bit. Okay, reaching the edge of the property here. So we're now going to go ahead and do another return to home. Let's see how that works.
Go home.
aircraft is overhead. Go ahead and let's pitch the gimbal. Watch it locate the landing position. And it's doing that right now.
Landing.
It's looking pretty on again here. We are 2 for 2 with a spot-on precision landing. We're going to go ahead and do this a third time. We're going to fly in the other direction over there. So let's go ahead and do a precision takeoff. Slide to takeoff. Get this up to about 100 feet. We're at 100 feet, just the pitch of the gimbal here. Let's go ahead and the aircraft. Okay, that's good enough. Let's go ahead and do return to home.
Go home.
The aircraft is on its way back. Directly overhead, it is. Just going to pitch the gimbal so we can take a look and see if it's landing. And it is landing right now. But we're going to have a precision landing here again. That hit the edge of the mat, but we're still looking pretty good. Okay, we're going to do one more test. We're going to take it to, we're going to angle it and take it to one of the corners of the field here. And let's take a look and see what kind of success we have with that. Let's go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal. And let's take it to the corner over there. Do a little more. There we go. Let's get it to the corner over there. Okay, we are at the corner there. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to do another return to home here.
Go home.
And we are almost directly overhead. Move the arm and adjust it to the gimbal so we can see the landing here. This is all being recorded on the Osmo as well too. There's no wind today, so that's good. not hit the landing pad on that one. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put it back on, and we're going to go to the other corner, and that will be the final test. Just picture the gimbal. Do precision takeoff. Okay, we are a little over 100 feet. Let's get it back down just a tad. We're at the edge there. Let's go ahead and do a return to home.
Go home.
We are just about overhead. We are overhead. Let's go ahead and adjust
Landing.
fix the gimbal so we can see the landing here. So far, so good. Correcting landing position again. There's no wind today, which is good. Okay, the final test, it did manage to hit the landing pad. And I also noticed one thing that I need to do as well with that. I needed to put anchors in the landing pad. But all in all, we only had one that was off the mat. The other ones landed correctly on the mat. As you can see, only one of them actually landed off the mat. All the other ones did land on the mat. And a note on that as well, I definitely should have put stakes in the landing mat. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 does have a lot of power to it, and it did move the mat. There was absolutely no wind to speak of today. All in all, this was a great test. Question of the day. What did you think of my precision landing test with the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 in the open field? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.